Your next performance review could be written by a model. Not sci-fi, just management turning into data, schedules, and decisions that software can help with. The twist isn't a robot in the corner office. It's an invisible chief of staff that sits behind every tool you use. So what gets automated? What absolutely doesn't? And how do you stay valuable when your manager might be part machine? This matters because managers control your time, promotions, and priorities. If that layer changes, your day changes. Fewer meetings, different metrics, new expectations. Promotions may depend less on politics and more on measurable outcomes. Pay and performance could get clearer or more surveilled. Your move is to understand the shift and shape it, not wait for an email. First, what do managers really do? They plan work, allocate resources, coordinate timelines, give feedback, hire, coach, resolve conflicts, and shield the team. A lot of that is pattern recognition and paperwork. Large language models can draft updates, write job posts, and summarize meetings. Robotic process. Automation moves data between systems without a human clicking every button. Strength, speed, and consistency. Trade-off, nuance is hard. And AI can rank tasks by deadlines. It can't feel a teammate's burnout unless a human notices and intervenes. Quick reality check. If your boss spends half the week making slides and status reports, AI eats that first. If your boss earns trust by unblocking people, negotiating scope, and handling messy human trade-offs, that's stickier. Pattern interrupt. If a dashboard tells you what to do, is that a boss or just a mirror held up to the work? Second, algorithmic management already exists. Gig drivers get routes and ratings from software. Call centers use real-time prompts and scorecards. Warehouse shifts are orchestrated by systems that predict demand. The upside is efficiency and clarity. Goals, metrics, next actions. The downside is opacity and fairness. Why did the system dock my score, and who can I appeal to? The rule of thumb. Automation without transparency breeds distrust. Any AI boss must show its reasoning, allow an appeal, and be tuned by the people it affects. Counterpoint. Speed isn't everything. A perfectly optimized schedule can still fail if it ignores social glue. Mentorship, culture, belonging. Those are managerial jobs that don't show up on a Gantt chart. Ignore them, and performance drops later even if today's numbers look great. Third, the most likely future is AI as a chief of staff, not a CEO. Picture this. Your boss stack quietly drafts weekly plans, merges Jira, Notion, and email into a single view, flags risks, and proposes who should tackle what based on skills and availability. It suggests feedback phrasing that's specific and kind. It preps compensation bands and promotion rubrics from policy. But it doesn't set values, choose strategy, or deliver hard news. Humans do the meaning, machines do the mechanics. Fourth, the org chart changes shape. Expect thinner middle layers and more player coach roles, people who contribute hands-on while curating AI-generated plans. Teams get smaller and more autonomous, connected by shared dashboards instead of constant meetings. Work flows through internal marketplaces, short projects, clear outcomes, transparent metrics. Promotions skew toward impact you can demonstrate, not hours you can prove. Pattern interrupt. Fewer meetings doesn't mean less accountability, it means the artifacts you produce do the talking. So what should you do practically starting this week? Turn your meetings into artifacts, clean agendas in, decisions and owners out, summarized by AI for speed. Write prompts like a manager. State the goal, constraints, success criteria, and audience. Design processes that are legible. If a newcomer can follow your playbook, an AI can too. Measure outcomes, not activity. Define what good looks like before the work starts. Develop the human edges: coaching, negotiation, storytelling, and ethical reasoning. Get data curious. Learn enough analytics to challenge a metric, not just accept it. And pilot your own AI chief of staff. Let a model draft your week, propose priorities, and flag risks while you choose what sticks. Here's a small experiment. Tomorrow morning, ask an AI to merge your calendars, tasks, and email into a one-page plan with 3 priorities, 2 risks, and 1 decision you need to make. Use it as a starting point, not a script. End of day, annotate what it got right and what it missed. Repeat for 5 days. You'll quickly see which parts of being your own boss can be delegated and which parts are your real value. Let's recap. AI will replace tasks, not the core of leadership. Paperwork, status, and scheduling move to machines. Coaching, judgment, and trust stay human and get more important as speed increases. The winning setup is a hybrid: AI as chief of staff, humans as meaning makers. Your actionable takeaway: build legible processes, measure outcomes, and sharpen the human skills that don't commoditize. Tell me in the comments, what's one part of your boss's job you'd happily automate tomorrow? And what's one part you'd never trust to a model? If this breakdown helped, subscribe for more practical playbooks you can use at work next week.